Bạn có cell phone, laptop và hoài bão thành công, đó là tất cả những gì bạn cần cho công việc kinh doanh mà tôi sẽ giới thiệu. Kinh doanh trên mạng theo mô hình mà bạn không cần bán hàng, không cần kinh nghiệm, nhưng nguồn.
So Facebook is now live. Then I'll click Start on my YouTube destination, and on YouTube we'll see that show up, and YouTube begins streaming as soon as you send it data, so there's no longer a button to go live like you have to do in Facebook. While those are streaming, let's look at a couple things. If I go to Task Manager and look at Performance, you can see my Ethernet connection is sending 10 megabits per second. That's the 4,000 kbps for Facebook and 6,000 for YouTube. Again, just reiterating the point that adding destinations adds to the bandwidth your internet connection has to be able to handle. Back in OBS, if I go to the Stats menu, this usually is a great way to tell what's going on with your stream. You can tell if you're dropping frames from rendering, which is just handling the video before it gets to the encoder, or if the encoder or your network are causing you to drop frames. But in this case, it's really only giving me stats for the Facebook stream. You're not going to get a complete picture here. You're going to need to use these stats in conjunction with the task manager looking at your CPU and GPU to really tell how well your computer is keeping up with your stream. And that's it. You can now stream to multiple destinations in OBS for free. Be sure and subscribe to my channel if you found this useful, and give the video a thumbs up as well. Until next time, bye.
We're going to cover how to use OBS Studio step by step in this complete tutorial for beginners. Hey, it's Justin Brown here from Primal Video, where we help you grow an audience and scale your revenue with online video. If you're seeing value in this video, make sure you're giving it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. And all the links to everything I mentioned in this video, you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump into it. So OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster software, is a powerful and very popular live streaming software and screen recording app. It runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux, and it can stream to places like Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and pretty much all the major live stream platforms. With all its great features though, it can be a little overwhelming for new users. But don't worry, this tutorial is designed to get you up and running fast and walk you through all the key settings and the steps that you need to know to host your next live stream or record your screen using OBS, all in just a few minutes. Plus, I'll also share with you some low-cost resources or tools that work great